Right, we've sealed, obviously we've done this tank now. We've emptied the excess out of this pipe through this hole. Now we've put the rubber glove on here, we've put the tape round, we've bunged these holes off, okay. We're now ready to basically swirl the stuff around. So we've got a load of fuel in here. This is obviously very awkward single-handed, to put it mildly, but fantastic stuff, this Wagners tank seal. I don't know if you've seen this stuff, but we do sell it 01773835666 in UK. Alternatively, you can buy it in the States or anywhere, but Wagners from Germany, classic oils, awesome stuff. Okay, this particular tank, we had a problem where it wasn't so much rusty as the old stuff had basically screwed up the inside. So by using this sealer, we're basically going to roll this all around, you know, put him this way, put him upside down, put him everywhere, and that will completely seal it. So if you're interested in great stuff, give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com.